Samay comes from a Sanskrit language and it means time or a moment. Sometimes people even use it for an auspicious or a right moment. When we started our journey with Samay, we were very clear in our hearts and mind that we want to build something which will help people manage their time. At this point, if you're an SME or mid-sized business, you must be spending a lot of time on doing paperwork or running through the Excel files. And I'm sure that's not adding value to your core business. On top of that, we are not sure if it's actually a compliant way to do what you're doing today. Samay is a SaaS solution which is compliant to Polish legislation, and it offers you to not think about the issues you might have if you're not going to do the right calculations, whether it's your payroll or your time management. It offers you this wonderful platform, which is very futuristic, and help you digitalize your HR problems, which you have today. Krakow is and always will be very close to my heart. I've been living here for over 16 years. And it's not just a vibrant city and old medieval city, but it offers a very modern infrastructure. It offers amazing talent and a lot of international presence from different parts of the world. Foundations like OMG, which help building the ecosystem for startups and help them grow. It's just an amazing place to start something new. Our product is MVP 1 ready, so it's much advanced than actually MVP 1. You can sign up, we can talk about your challenges and your needs, and it's ready to cater to your problems. My name is Lalit Gupta. I am a CEO of Samay Poland. I would love for you to come and join Summer Jam OMG Krakow August 28th this year and connect.